Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn to make pure avocado virgin oil from pulp of avocado fruit. So stay tuned. 1 kilogram of 4 big avocados can yield 80 to 100 grams of oil. We will take 4 big ripe avocados, that is approximately 1 kilogram. Remove the pulp of avocados and collect in a bowl. Avocados are tropical plants. It's rich in essential fatty acids and oleic acid. It is good source of monounsaturated fat. Avocado oil promote collagen. Avocado oil naturally triggers the production of collagen, which is responsible for tightening your skin and preventing wrinkles and other signs of aging. Smash the pulp of avocados and spread all over the tray. We need to spread pulp all over the tray in thin layer, so we can dry the pulp. We will not add heat to it. We will cold press the oil to remove it. By adding heat we will reduce the goodness of oil. We will use dehydration method where we will allow it to dry in air. By drying in air it will lose the moisture and begin to dry. After smashing the pulp and spreading the pulp into the tray like this, we will keep near the window or any other place where there is air, but not direct under sunlight. If it's summer, it dry fast. After 6 to 7 hours of drying the avocado pulp, you can see the top layer is dried and turned into brown. Now we shall mix the pulp again and spread the avocado pulp all over the tray. First time the pulp will not dry completely, so you have to mix it and then spread it and leave it for few hours and repeat this process for 3 to 4 times. After the first dry of pulp, I left it overnight near the open window slab. You can see the second time it's dried more. Keep repeating the process for 3rd, 4th and 5th time. Benefits of avocado oil for hair. Promotes hair growth. Helps in fighting dandruff. Provides strength to hair. Repairs damaged hair. Provides shining to hair. Moisturize hair and scalp. Hydrates your hair. And you see the pulp is getting dried and releasing oil. It still has moisture in it, so we will dry it more for 2 to 4 hours. If you find the video useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more useful content. The avocado pulp is completely dried and you can also see the oil. Wow! I am so happy at this moment. It takes only 24 hours to make virgin avocado oil at home. Within 24 hours you will be able to make avocado oil at home. Divide the dry pulp into 2 halves. Take one portion into muslin cloth and press it hard. Finally you will see the fresh virgin avocado oil with all the goodness is coming out. Start collecting it in a jar. I wish I had machine or more muscle power to get more oil outside the pulp. It's hard to press but worth it. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamin K, which is known for helping to shrink blood vessels and improve circulation, making your dark circles less noticeable. The absorbability of the oil can also help it thicken the skin beneath the eyes. The essential fatty acids and oleic acid in avocado oil can promote collagen. Avocado oil naturally triggers the production of collagen, which is responsible for tightening your skin and preventing wrinkles and other signs of aging. You can also use this oil for dressing salad, as it is a good source of monounsaturated fat. Avocado oil are praised for their non-greasy feel and ability to penetrate the hair and scalp, as opposed to other oils that sit on the surface. Avocado oil can help stimulate blood flow to the scalp and unclog blocked follicles. This can help create a healthy scalp environment for hair to grow. These effects may also help fight hair loss. I have pressed enough oil to my capability. The pulp still has oil, so we will not throw away the pulp, but make a hair mask in further part of video. I have measured the oil and it comes to 80 grams after minus the weight of glass. So I have pressed 80 grams of oil from 1 kilogram, 4 big size, of avocados. You can store it in a jar in room temperature. Do try making this golden oil at home and share your experience to me by commenting below. I am sure you will love it. The pulp is still having oil, so we will not throw it but make a hair mask out of it. Take 1 cup of curd and mix it. We will transfer this in a mixer jar and make it into smooth paste. Now we shall apply this mask on hair and leave it for half an hour. Wash your hair with mild shampoo or natural soap. It makes your hair shinier and lustrous. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more valuable and useful content. Until then, take care of yourself and stay healthy.